Now let me fire up the Xcode Finder. So let me, this is date tonight, options, remind me tomorrow. Okay, so here Xcode beta, Xcode beta, beta. Okay, that's it. Okay, and if you click on this, you will have the Xcode beta 5, which is the latest. So we are going to create a new project now. We'll call it as Z stack, that is better. But I don't know now it will have a, we will basically call it as, mm, it's something about this one, right? Overlays like or something like that. We will call it as Z stack because we don't have this thing as Z stack. Let's see whether it accepts. So create a new Xcode project. So next we will say Z stack example. Z stack example. Big Z stack example. Okay. So all these are fine. You know all this. So next. Then we are creating this app. Z stack app. Okay. Right. So this is a Z stack example. Now let me just go to the um, desktop. One second. Let me go here and you can sorry, go here and then file, sorry, file, new finder window. Yeah. So we have to look for the Z stack example project. So don't double click on this. It's okay. Don't double click. So we will just take the content view dot swift alone. Yeah, we will take the content view dot swift of Z stack. Oh, this has come again. Z stack. Okay. 3 types of stacks. One second. Let's take example. Not looking to this one. Content view dot swift. It's tags. It's tag dot swift. Content view dot swift. Where the dynamic. You just open and see. Restack aligning the course. Okay, let's see this one. No, this is one. Yeah, this one. Okay, fine. Control C. Okay, so now let's go, and since I have already have it, I'll just copy and paste it from my project. Yeah. Okay. So let's close this. Okay. So there are two layers are there, so don't worry about it. Yeah. So this is the one what we are going to do. Okay. So as I was saying, this is structure, content view. So Z stack, rectangle. These are the various colors what you're seeing, like say. So the first one is structure content view. Content view, you know that variable body sum stack. Z stack is the one which cannot preview in this file. Why is it so? Maybe this one. Okay. So let me just paste it here. Yes. Okay. So now let's start with I've started the Xcode. Let me close that and then take it up. Yeah. So we are going to create a Z stack example, which is basically like it will overlay one view on top of another. Okay. So the first thing is structure content view. Okay. Variable body sum view. The variable body sum view is going to get what? The Z stack, the complete Z stack. Okay. That is what is going to be returned. We won't say any return here. It says variable body sum view. So it will get some view as a return, but the return keyword will not be given. So Z stack. So we are going to have different shapes: rectangle shape, rounded rectangle, then you have capsule, you have ellipse, you have circle. So these are all the various shapes, and each one is of a type of, its fill color is orange, frame width is 200 200. So this is the first one, the rectangle, within which all these things are going to be overlaid. Rounded rectangle, again this is fill color red, frame width 200, height 200. Then capsule is like a medicinal capsule. So fill color dot green, frame width 150 because it's normally small. Ellipse is like something like a circle. So fill color dot blue, frame width 100, height 50. Circle is fill color white and frame width 150. So you've learnt a lot of style is continuous here. Okay, we've learnt a lot of modifiers in this. So these are the modifiers, but let's see how nicely it overlays. So let's resume the thing. So once I say resume, builder succeeded, good. Yeah, you can see that. So this color orange is like it's filling, but it is overlaid. So this is a rectangle which is colored orange, and on top of that, the rounded rectangle has red. So it has done it. Now after that, what has happened? It is like a capsule. You see, you can see this is like a capsule. Within the capsule, the fill color is green. You can see this, and then ellipse is always like this, right? Ellipse is like a something like a circle. Okay, so this is colored in blue. Finally, the circle is colored in white. So this is how the overlay will happen. So this is very easy, and you can simply, it's a very nice thing. If you want to overlay views one on top of another, this is a very useful example for you. Okay, so try this out, and then make sure that you're, up to date with me, and I'd be very happy that if you're able to understand everything and you're able to try out the various projects. Okay, so thank you very much. Good day.